Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can convert your art flow from free to paid one. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the art fellow, and after going to the website, as you can see, you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will be able to get the option for the upgrade. So we have to click on the upgrade option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the upgrade option, as you can see, you'll be able to see this is the basic plan, which is the free. And in this, you will get the 100 credits and the 4-minute video from a story studio or 2-minute video from video studio. So as you can see in this package, you have to pay the $9.58, 300 credits, 12 minutes video, and they have provided each and every information. If you want to get this by monthly, you can also do that. The monthly charges will be this $12, and if you buy the annually, you will get the 20% off. As you can see, these all packages are provided here. If you need a bigger one, you can also do that. You have to click on the let's get in touch, and they will provide you the customized plans for you. So in this way, you can upgrade your art flow from free to paid. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.